Hello everyone, myself Sivakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain how we can leverage the sentiment analysis or opinion mining in the ChatGPT. Basically, sentiment analysis or opinion mining is to identify the emotional tone behind the statement. By using the sentiment analysis, we will come to know the statement is positive, negative, or it has a mixed emotions. And also, we will come to know the statement is representing the emotions like happy, unhappy, sad, fear, or any other emotions. And also, we will identify the sentiment score as well. Basically, the sentiment analysis widely using in analyzing the reviews, feedbacks, and ratings in the different fields. Let's see by using the ChatGPT how we will know the emotional tone of the statement in the UiPath. Let's get started. Let's go to the UiPath Studio. This is the flow that I have created in my previous video. Here in this flow, I have taken the input dialog box to provide the input prompt. Here I have taken multiple assign activity to provide required key and value details to the JSON object. I have taken HTTP request to configure the ChatGPT. So these are all the configuration details. The output of the HTTP request in the string and the string it is in the JSON format. To convert the JSON string into the JSON object, I have taken deserialize JSON activity. In the output response, there is a JSON array format text is available. To convert the JSON array text into the JSON array object, I have taken the deserialize JSON array. Finally, I have taken message box to display the final response. Let me run the process and see. In the input prompt, I am going to mention the prompt as analyze the following statement and display is positive, negative, or mixed. Then I'm going to mention what statement I wanted to check, right? So let's see how the ChatGPT will give the response. Let me try another one. I'm not happy. It's a negative. And let me try another one. I'm just okay. It is a mixed emotion, right? For the demonstration purpose, I have created one Excel file. Here I have mentioned few of the statements. Let's see how the ChatGPT will analyze these statements and how it will provide the response. So here I have already built the logic and let me explain the logic that I have built. Here I have taken Excel application scope to read the Excel file and output I am storing into the object dt underscore input data table. After that I am iterating the data table. Here I have taken multiple assign activity to pass the required key and value details to the JSON object. So here in the prompt key I have mentioned the same prompt that I have tested earlier. Analyze the following statement and display is positive, negative or mixed. followed by current row of 0 index. I have taken one log message to display the processing statement. Here I have taken one retrace. Inside the retrace code, I have taken HTTP request activity to establish the connection to the ChatGPT. So these are the configuration details. Here I have taken the deserialized JSON to convert the string into the JSON object, and I have taken deserialized JSON array activity to convert the string format of the JSON array into the JSON array object. To update the output response to the Excel, I have taken Excel application scope, and inside the Excel application scope, I have taken write cell activity. So here I have mentioned the output response in the value section, and here I have mentioned the range. So here I wanted to update the value in the B column, and here I have taken the counter. So initially I have mentioned the counter as 2, as this Excel statement is starting from the second row. So let me run the process and see how we will get the output from the ChatGPT. Now the process execution has been completed. Let's go to the output panel and check the results. So these are the statement and this is the corresponding output that we received from the ChatGPT. Let me open Excel file. So these are the statements and these are the corresponding response that we received from the ChatGPT. Let's see how we are getting the sentiment score by using the ChatGPT. To get the sentiment score, we need to change the prompt. So here in the prompt, I am going to change the prompt as analyze the sentiment of the following text and provide only sentiment score from 1 to 10. Save. And here I wanted to update the output value in the third column, that is C. So let me run the process and check the result. Now the process execution has been completed. Let's review the output. Let's go to the output panel. So these are the statements that we have tested and these are the relevant output that we received from the ChatGPT. Let me open the Excel file. So these are the results that we received. So let's see what emotion this statement is representing, whether it is happy, sad, or anger. So let's say how we will get these emotions from the ChatGPT. So to get the kind of emotions, we need to change the prompt. So here I am going to change the prompt as analyze the following statement and identify whether it is expresses happy, sad, anger, fear, surprise, or other emotion. And I wanted to update the output report at fourth column. So here I am going to change from C to D, click save, and let's run the process and see the output result. Now the process execution has been completed. Let's review the output. Let's go to the output panel. These are the statements that we have mentioned, and this is the output that we received from the ChatGPT. Let me open Excel file. So these are all the response that we received from the ChatGPT. This way, by using the ChatGPT, we can know the emotional tone of the statements in the UiPath. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.